Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Creating a simple cricket game in Python can be a fun and educational project. In this tutorial, we'll create a text-based cricket game where the user can play as a batsman. The game will simulate a simplified version of cricket, where the batsman has to score runs by facing a series of deliveries. Create a new Python file, example cricket_game.py, and open it in your favorite text editor or integrated development environment, IDE. Open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to the directory containing your Python file, and run the script. Feel free to enhance and expand the game by adding more features, such as bowler variations, different game modes, or multiplayer options. This basic example serves as a starting point for your cricket game development in Python. ChatGPT.